Hello guys, in this video I want to quickly show you how you can utilize our API and the documentation in order to find the data about any token in existence. So we are going to use the Dexpaprika API, a newest product from Paprika, and what you will need is basically this, nothing else. If you have it, just go straight to API reference and you will find all the available endpoints, like getting networks, getting dexes, pools, but this is what we are interested in today in this tutorial. So let's copy this and see. Why this one? Because this one gives you the price of a token and we need it. As you can see here, we need network and we need token address. We don't have those. So we don't have the network and we do not have the address. We can get both of those just by using the documentation and the API. We can go there to find the list of the blockchain networks and hit it there. Also, that's really important. On our documentation, you can query the API straight from the website. You do not have to use the IDE like I'm using right now. You can do it straight from here in order to test it, which is very comfortable if you ask me. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to do it in a more traditional way. So this is the endpoint that will return us all the available networks. So let's write a short curl. Please make it readable. Yeah, so here are all the chains. We have Sonic, Berachain, Aptos, Solana, etc. Base, blah blah. We are going to use, let's go for base, and the token will be virtuals. So we do not have the token address yet. How to find it? Well, you can go back to Base Explorer and just find the virtuals. You can go straight to their documentation, which is really a good way to do because then you are sure that's not a fake. But for now, we are just gonna use the API as we have here. So we have this endpoint. This endpoint is called search, and by using this endpoint, you can query all the database that we have and find the token just based on your query. This is how it looks like, and all you need to do is just add a simple query and find virtual. Let's see if it returns us what we want. Oh, I forgot to make it not for robots. Yep, as you can see, we have all the informations. This is the tokens. So let's take the first one. Also, if you want to make sure, just check with their documentation if that's the correct one and you're not looking for the scam. So this is the token address. Let's paste it here. Okay, so I guess we have everything. We can just fill it up. And let's query this. And we have the data. So the data for virtuals, as you can see, is all here. The price is there. Right now, there's some issue, I suppose, with total supply, but it's gonna be fixed very soon. So you can find the price in here. It's under the summary, the price USD. But let's say we are interested in just this. We don't want this whole response, so we can do it really quickly by just adding a short thing like price USD. Yep. there we have it. We just have straight the price. And that's it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You can utilize it in any program that you want, whether you're building like a Dex tracker, whether you want to utilize this data for your trading algorithms. You can do anything that you want, and as you can see, it's very simple. Right now the API is in beta, so you don't need any kind of authentication. The API is free. In return, we just want you to test it out and tell us any feedback that you have. Reach us out on our Discord, find me on my Telegram or on Twitter. My DMs are always open, so thank you and enjoy.